Welcome back to another video of Path to Cyber. This is going to be a little bit different, and I just wanted to incorporate what I'm learning in my day-to-day school into actually my YouTube videos. So today we'll be talking about project management overview. I'll be walking you through the fundamentals from chapters 1 to 3 I'm learning. I'm actually taking a test on it tomorrow, and this just kind of helps reinforce my current learning. But besides that, I want to give you guys a strong foundation to understand how projects are managed, especially in an IT context. So let's just dive right in. Introduction to project management. Projects are temporary and they're always designed to produce unique results, whether that's a product, service, or solution. A project that doesn't have a specific end date or beginning date is more of an operations thing that's ongoing during the enterprise. The key players are project managers who lead the actual project, the sponsors who provide the resources, money, and authority for the project, and the stakeholders who are actually affected by the project, whether these are fellow opponents, fellow team members and collaborators, or even people in other different departments within the same project that want the project to move forward or not. And to support the consistency and oversight, organizations often set up a PMO. What is that exactly? A project management office is basically ensuring governance, auditing, and training. And at a top level, project management works across 3 tiers: individual projects, larger programs that actually group the projects together, and portfolios that aligns everything with the organizational strategy. Where on a portfolio side, are they actually working on the right project? Is this project going to push the business forward? Versus a project manager is more worried about, is this project deliverables going to be met and tested, developed at the end of the life cycle? Project management and IT context. The way an organization is structured can definitely impact how effectively a project manager can be, especially in functional structures, authority is low, while in a project structure, the project manager has strong authority, while in a matrix structure, that's a mix of both. Culture is also another huge factor here. A supportive and collaborative culture increases the chances of project success and team chemistry. And in today's world, IT projects face trends like globalization, outsourcing for cheaper expenses in labor versus virtual teams and agile practices. These are both bring advantages like flexibility and expertise, but also challenges like coordination across time zones, maintaining that team cohesion, like I said. Project methodology. Projects follow a life cycle, moving from a concept to a development to an implementation, and finally a closeout. For IT projects, system development lifecycle or SDLC can be predictive or adaptive. Predictive approaches include waterfall, spiral, or a RAD, where steps are planned way in advance. These are more strict, where they have to complete a phase before moving to the next, and change isn't always adaptable. Versus an adaptive approach like Agile and Scrum embrace change and they're constantly evolving to meet the user's needs, regardless of what cycle or level they are in the project. Agile and Scrum. Agile is all about adaptability, customer collaboration, and delivering working software in short cycles. Scrum is one of the most popular Agile frameworks. It defines 3 main roles: the product owner, who sets the priorities, the Scrum Master, who's actually enforcing and ensuring the team is following the Agile practices, and finally, the development team, where they actually deliver the work. Scrum also relies on key artifacts like the product backlog, sprint backlog, burn down charts, and it uses ceremonies such as sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives to keep the progress on track and improve continuously. Process groups and knowledge areas. Finally, project management is broken into 5 process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and also closing. According these 10 knowledge areas like scope, time, and cost, human resources, communications, these all work together for a structured and comprehensive approach to manage the project from start to finish. And right above you, I show the iron triangle where scope, time, and cost all affect quality. So if you're increasing the scope and functionalities, you're going to eventually run into more cost or more time to keep the quality the same. And that's condensed versions of chapters 1 to 3 of project management. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Path to Cyber content. And hopefully in my next video, I post something more related to cyber.